Hey, what's up guys, SUPERGEEK here, and I know that the video's title is somewhat misleading, but it's not a complete lie. Now listen to me. The laptops which I am going to tell you about in this video does not come with Windows 11 pre-installed, but this laptop comes with that TPM 2.0 feature, which is a really essential feature for Windows 11 upgrade. So this laptop comes with that feature, and you can buy any of these laptops with confidence that it will get the Windows 11 update whenever it will release for public use. So if you're looking for a laptop under 60,000 rupees and you want a future-proof laptop which will get the Windows 11 update, then you can easily choose one of these three laptops without thinking about if it's going to get the Windows 11 update or not, if it get the TPM 2.0 feature or not. Just don't think about it and buy one of these laptops so you'll get the Windows 11 update when it will be ready. So starting from the first laptop, which is Asus VivoBook 15, it's a pretty thin and lightweight laptop which comes with a decent hardware for all your computing needs. The laptop comes with 15.6 inches display with FHD resolution and pretty thin bezels on either side of the display. The laptop runs on the Intel Core i5 10th generation processor with 4 Core 8 threads. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM installed, paired with 256 gigs of SSD storage, and you get 1 terabyte of hard disk storage as well. The laptop comes with a compact yet full keys keyboard, including a numpad. The keyboard looks a little bit cramped, but if you got small hands like me, then you won't have any problem with this keyboard. You get Windows 10 pre-installed, and this laptop comes with TPM 2.0, which makes it Windows 11 ready. The laptop is only 20 mm thick and weighs about 1.8 kilograms, which is pretty good for a laptop at this price. The battery is 37 watt, which is pretty small for the laptop. It can only gives you about 6 hours of battery life. The laptop is available for 51,000 rupees and you can buy it off Flipkart. The next laptop on our list is Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i, and this laptop comes with the latest hardware you can find at this price range, yet it looks really awesome. It comes with a 15.6 inches FHD display, which is an anti-glare panel. For performance, you get the latest Intel Core i5 11th generation processor. It comes with the same 4 Core 8 threads like 10th generation, but you get the new and latest features from Intel. Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i comes with 8 gigs of RAM for multitasking, and for storage you get fast 512 gigs of SSD storage. The laptop comes with Windows 10 pre-installed, including MS Office as well, and it's Windows 11 ready with TPM 2.0 installed. Lenovo claims about 7.5 hours of battery backup with single fully charged battery. The laptop is pretty thin at 20 mm and weighs only 1.6 kilograms. The laptop is priced at 57,000 rupees and it's available on Flipkart. The last laptop on our list is a gaming laptop, and it's the Lenovo Legion Y540. It's a gaming laptop. It's not the latest and the greatest, but it can do its job pretty easily. It comes with 15.6 inches FHD display, which is an IPS panel, and comes with anti-glare finish on the top. The laptop comes with Intel Core i5 9th generation processor, which is not the latest, but it does the job. Paired with the processor, you get 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and with that, you get 512 gigs of SSD internal storage. For gaming, you get the NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU with 4 gigs of VRAM, which is enough for running any AAA title at 1080p in low settings. Lenovo claims 10 hours of battery backup on this laptop, and it comes with 170 watt charging brick. This laptop is also thin and light at 2.3 kilograms despite being a gaming centric laptop. This laptop is available for 57,900 rupees and it's available on Flipkart as well. So these were the laptops that you can buy under 60,000 rupees, which comes with TPM 2.0 pre-installed, so you get the Windows 11 update when it's ready. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.